When you fall asleep, the muscles in the back of your throat relax, causing your airway to constrict. For people like Kim who already have a narrow airway, this leaves very little room for air to pass through, which causes vibrations or snoring. The Vivos appliance is a simple-to-use mouthpiece that gently expands the upper arches of your mouth, increasing the size of the nasal cavity, maximizing airflow volume, which reduces snoring and delivers more oxygen to the body. Now she sleeps silently right through the night. The Vivos appliance really has changed both our lives.